And so me, I fear for this present government. You can't please these people. These people called Ghana, you can't please them. Very soon they will be very angry with you. Very soon they will dislike you. Because that is their nature. They don't tomorrow morning, let's go to Circle to Accra and let's say we are decongesting the whole streets. The people will rise up against you even though what you are doing is right.
Abuzavo mamunyina makwa ba the Magan and Sam TV so. But one more like if you know subscribe to the channel, no attend notification be next time. Videos of this nature about some sabit makabi now watch our comment section. So the munyina me from Mr. President. Madaroma, if by chance it may when you feel impressed with our works. That person boy may sit here with studio and near there. But your number and that's with my reach out to you. In some kind of episode maybe any better pan better was so. Because this is the most active pro-NPP platform on social media. And the BR said the end mom on back to back, sir. Tim will be a part of this family, support us, and we'll be so much grateful. Nabusunya baby will be a home video and watch out to say Adudi Nyame is working.
I didn't see.
Sanke nanke nimse kufu Adudi no manage ne yere kitchen.
Adai.
So for penny be Ghana.
So for penny be ya.
Kofi tie.
Why?
Oduro.
What said they? Yam one man for the TV. Danny Bonnie and TV.
Mahama Onyamumobo. Problems here too much. Too much. If you got problems, I'm the Oma Benny Ohiam wow. Ohiam Piebo serious. And yet easy. Now who feel crowd to know how is it easy? Kitchen, hall, gardening, outside. Bob where we replace it. And how cry it is saying gas as a prepaid as who feel crano. It is saying that's 16 regions of Ghana. Over 201 constituencies. Districts they be brave. Nina I dragging I am mobile. Penny
General, where's some penny like I say? I'm pa. O man penny your mama and what mobile pa. Also manage how many regions? 16. And a 200 and something. Now I could for no manage say.
Maybe a 2.5. Said you can. Maybe I need for the 2.5 or money.
Now I 2.5 no. No crown soon no. Me say minia your friend say Oli papa kapoma lawyer ni na me say NDC ama power. Na me nim say san crofo a me genuinely me dwen say o mo fight for the cause of this nation. Say na bibi wo madwenechi. How can a whole lawyer Oliver Bakavoma and I give him or say fire a year Kufado near MPP a year software years about can 2.5 okay or say a Kufado near MPP for we need 2.5 regions. It now we should go to a year regional threshold. And what Brian Becca say you who year elections we now we near so to me we near about 9 regions. General 9 regions beya. And lawyer ni nakasa yo we na ya yera koku e de koto so mo hihye adwuma bi communist inferior tactics they are working on your mind so they are saying say so we need election so to me basa American system no the number of states we need lawyer ni o awo bre onim say ofa apa east afa apa west afa savannah and the voter region ka ho nipa wo voter region apa east savannah and apa ayiwan Omunu Ashanti region. Lawyer ni say afi no. Esi etime kire the number of regions a winning. Na regions ni si ho. Na ya asase keke. Na ya region to a. Wo si yamfa sa region no and decide ma nipa bebre. Oka east ni eya Ashanti nko abom a. Daniel, Oka East in Ashanti Nkwabum, and Nipa wo Eastern region and Ashanti region. Obeka regions more than Serbia Bum Crom numbers in Eastern region and Ashanti region. And so like you see first idea and decided. So bit me winning. And you see, and your Moncha Ashanti region mobile 7. Precisely. My good any more. And now almost your migraine and one and then people in yes serious. And Semunu. Omo your magre woduma. Say yansha say accept say e just we need more than and the omo ye no omo the best constitutional review commission report ni mo. Omo prepare mo adwen. Omo hwe say dem be see accept no.
Exactly so.
Yo 50 and 21st March 2026 echo minimum yanyan easy. And 21st March 2026 minimum yanyan easy. Meka no kwene tiamu NDC for wallahi sabusi musamu yadin NDC for sabusi ya POP wallahi and 21st March 2026 and meka sema ebe tiamu because moi mon POP ye adwuma mamu a mo de ko mu fie ane mo busu afo ane edi ya kwasi adwuma no mo ma bi ndi fiti ene ko mi exto ye fa mi exto Madina Zogo Jashi taxi driver ena ma NDC campaign ti ma to mi taxi mienu ene mi ti fie ene meka nsem bia mo nti ase da ene 21st March 2026 isa mo kumi mi fi anglo okumia your 3 boys 1 girl fitieneko make a set tiamu fitieneko wallahi make a set tiamu NDC for because ya jumano o mind papa yehwe born nyehwe the wages of sin is death. The consequences of agumapalism, a crab as not clemajalism. Na roja onare, na vula galago, na ronya onare, na dauko for 4 no do NDC pawu, ado trouser, aba toro moto, ala sambod reta, avuenanya, manyami kolom nya oponu mami koru, ya kamom yanya, chokbaji ko ya, mami criticize gala madina fia, wallahi, fieneko, ma bomutuo, pay on Madina say bye. I Lieutenant Jerry John Rollins say mu ya greedy bastards no cry ye to abama mo NDC for enemu ba no mu ne busu afọ
na producer oh Mr. Oma me picture number 1 hwe papa ya me den Facebook post abeto 23rd of September 2019 Standobi. Kind baby Amaseko said the former president observed that just like many other deals that had party cronies directly participating, some of the key persons involved in the renegotiated ECA deal and ECA energy deal are linked to the finance minister Ken Ofori-Atta and his data bank. Asema no mo kase nyina ne se MPP wa bemu na ye Ken Ofori-Atta ni Akufo-Addo ni omabusuafo ene fa efum niema wa bemu ene besen ko hwe gold board the same person ene onono a company correct also oye into your friend is saying renovation in asefo no. I am telling you say ya award a whopping 11 million Ghana cedis contract worth $1.1 million. Na Standogbe a deputy chief of staff. You can't be a chief of staff or you the HR manager of the government. Deputy HR manager of the government no. Et me friend staff bako ye gold board. Ye Rasami Jemfi and a dano and okache and say me per contract we into family. Now the next picture, I'm going to prove to you why. Tima munina ya dene tax it to Standogbe ka. So there is nothing wrong with giving your company a contract to renovate an old Bank of Ghana building. I guess then, Obusan is saying, Bonibia ni say, wona wo ye deputy chief of staff no. Wa ban mo what na wa ma wo work abako amma what wo de company akọ j contract e wa ban a wo kasati a emre bi atwam no. Tie any response. Also what is wrong with that? Hekasa. Unlike others who had their businesses they are connected to, my association with this and other businesses I've run for years is public knowledge. Now Ken Ofori-Atta ni enterprise no sebe no akashe ni bottom. Na ni pe hu. Yenim se Kenoforiata wo data bank wo kroma.
Right, obi ani.
Wo de kwapia de oyaboa. Na wo Standogbe de wo na sefata wo. Kenoforiata de oye kakai me say they even spoke against Gabia Sari Ochreda kwa no ni position bia mpo wa ban mu. Today look at what you are doing. Now the third one. Obama me pese wo follow ade pa hwe receive na ebo ho no. Where you gold board letter. Omo de call PPA ekodi approval for Standogbe contract no. Letter ni receiving on the 20th of June 2025. Wofa kwa chaka we phone so a Friday. Now procurement wo hoyi there were two types. There were competitive and a non-competitive. Non-competitive ne ye ba ko so source. Dia kan nyina ye competitive.
Right.
Now all of these methods no enema two trigger no. The edi kan a threshold. Threshold no be kire so obeko for quotation, obeko for national competitive tendering, obeko for your friend is international competitive tendering at that two stage. And a circumstances so etimi ma okọ hwehwe mienu e restricted tendering any so sourcing.
Right.
Okay, sami jemfi letter na okọ paragraph 2 uzumi ni ya say the gold board established blah blah blah. Okay, in the reasons are eda ho na o say omo call for restricted tendering. Obama offer Procurement Act na answer no be beko for restricted tendering no. Aje one of three things see.
Yeah.
The edi kind say adie na open no the entire country omo bi no a limited number. Ebia ye pe obi ama na kokra COVID eduro o hwehwe NS chemist o hwehwe your friend say East Cantonment Pharmacy mo no ma kokra sa eduro no.
Yeah.
Good. The second reason is say ebia time a ye betna se dia kabo ma ye competitive tendering no ye disproportionate to the value ye kwa akoto no ebia be say be 3 weeks 1 month ye free high nko for expert a mo ba be hwehwem ne nasefo ebia ye be kabo no na de na ye koto no kra ne esua ena de twato ene say ebia why national competitive tendering na wie no obia amfa your friend say bedamba into ubeko restricted tendering. The entire maker way nyina say all these forms of procurement methods ewo ye Ghana ye mremu. Ye kasi obi ye lawyer nia. Ghana ha your friend nipa ne learned. Chere say nipa ne sua de na na tirim abobew. Into Samuel Jemfi Sami Jemfi ni tirim abobew. Now so dina NDC 360 so for Procurement Act to all the other methods catch the Ghana for say method as a Ghana ni bia som no to be the juma national competitive tendering.
Okay.
Now question is say ye den na Sami Jemfi the okoye restricted tendering. Obama asem ni mo ya emu ogrem. Now minia why application we agency now why application for restricted tendering. O de call your friend is a PPA ebehwe niema be enan. The edikan Mbacho yenko fourth one. The edikan omo behwe reason a ode buy under section 38 a ode buy competitive tendering. Remember we so. Ebio behwe the value of the procurement activity. What's the estimate nyina den consultant estimate account. No matter profile and technical responsiveness and others any shortlisted firms are ode aba. Obama what you say ya tonkunya ya ma number da. Say ye koto ye procurement ye koto nkunya ya ama number so ya ama price. What be that? Obama me buza question what be that? Mo na hwede ye bo quantity 0. And so you trust allow a provisional sum of boardroom furniture item 1 million Ghana cedi. The tabri e the master ndogbe. Any ninia company a friend correct say omo di omunko di na mabuna e bre wo man mu a omudra mikadi omu 220 Ghana cedis akoto security forms and tempenten kwa. This is what is happening in this country. Allow a provisional sum for office furniture be of 500,000. Aden. Ofa. Aden. Number 4 mine e de akọ. Ehe na mode ko. The sad thing a woman said this is a rehearsed your friend is saying, Kronoa, esi o man ma hu bi da. Okay. And the PPA boss is part. You're Frank Manten. I'm going to prove to you. Sami Jemfi in the letter ne call 20th June 2025 Friday. Mini am my last picture no. Na shade. My last picture no. Na date or Troy. Or Troy letter you 24th June, which is Tuesday. And the PPA board will patch say Omo say one day now kind letter now Zumi mame or say we refer to your letter blah 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 no about at the second emergency board meeting of the seats board held on Tuesday 24th June 2025. Now it's a Tuesday corona na board nitimi so say Ghana yesika twetiro dio yesika twetiri die 11 million Ghana cedis yemfa master ndobi. Hey wafa okay. Debi mianka Frank Mante. So what can I say about this criminal conductor? And you'll be